Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Apple ID keeps saying postcode invalid, billing address and region settings troubleshooting. Fix 1. Check the correct postcode format. Open the billing address section and enter your postcode exactly as used by your country. Remove extra spaces, symbols or special characters if not required. Then save the changes and try again. Fix 2. Verify your country or region. Open settings on your iPhone and tap your name at the top. Now select media and purchases, then go to view account. Tap on country/region and make sure the selected country matches your billing address and postcode. Fix 3. Update the billing address. Go to settings, then your name and tap on payment and shipping. Now edit your billing address and enter the correct city, state and postcode and save the changes. Fix 4. Check the address with your bank. Contact your bank or card provider and confirm the billing address linked to your payment card. Make sure the postcode in Apple ID matches the bank's records exactly. Then try adding the card again. Fix 5. Remove and re-add the payment method. Open settings, then go to your name, then go to payment and shipping. Now remove the current payment method and restart your iPhone. Then add the payment method again with the correct postcode. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.